is his.
I mean, alright, you can flush, it's heavier, so you gotta stabilize it. I like it. You want to shoot the rest of those?
He's not even shooting the thing.
Shoots good. You guys know how to load that revolver?
It's the same gun.
I mean, I can imagine.
Yours is like hard to receive.